Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we'll talk about unlocking the power of manifestation and how you can do it with the Neville Goddard method. Since you found this channel, you've probably heard of manifestation and all the amazing things it can do for your life, but sometimes it can feel like it's just not working for you. Well, that's where the Neville Goddard method comes in. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and author who believed that our thoughts and feelings shape our reality. He taught us that we could use our imagination to manifest the things we want in life, and he developed a unique approach to helping people do just that. So what exactly is the Neville Goddard method? Well, it's about using your imagination to create a vivid mental picture of the things you want to manifest in your life. By doing this, you'll start to feel the emotions associated with having what you want, and the energy will attract it to you. To unlock the power of manifestation using the Neville Goddard method, it's essential to follow a few key steps. Here's a more detailed explanation. The first step is to get clear on what you want to manifest. Then focus on one thing at a time. Write your desire on paper and be as clear and concise. This will help you focus your thoughts and energies on a single goal. The next step is to write it down. Writing your desire on paper is crucial because it makes it tangible and real. It lets you put your thoughts into action and commit to your goal. Writing your desire down will help you focus your mind and keep your thoughts on track. After you've written down your desire, imagine it as if it's already happened. Now you use the power of your imagination to bring your desire into reality. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of your desire as if it has already happened. See it, feel it, touch it, and taste it. The more sensory details you can add, the better. Next, visualize regularly. Make visualization a daily habit. The more you focus on your desire, the more you will start to believe that it's possible, and the more you will begin to attract it into your life. Finally, feel the emotions associated with your desire. As you visualize, it's essential to focus on the feelings related to your desire. In addition, it's critical to assume that you already possess what you want to manifest. Feeling those emotions as if they exist in the present will help you to create a powerful emotional connection with your desire and to attract it into your life. Feeling emotions is one of the most powerful parts of manifesting your desires, allowing yourself to feel happy, grateful, and excited about having what you want. Repeat this process as often as you like until it feels like a natural part of your day. Goddard believed that the imagination is the creative force of the universe and can bring our desires into physical form. He saw it as the bridge between the inner world of our thoughts and feelings and the outer world of our experiences, and he taught that by using it effectively, we could create the lives we want. He put his theories into practice regularly. From manifesting travel to marrying his wife, his methods worked wonders. Finally, in 1943, Neville was drafted. He had a wife and they had just had a daughter together. Goddard felt he was too old to be a soldier and felt cool to be home with his wife and daughter. Using his imagination and manifestation techniques, Neville shared that after just 3 weeks of training, he received an honorable discharge. Goddard believed that our 3D reality was more flexible than we give it credit for. He thought that the physical world is a projection of our inner reality and that we can change our experiences by changing our thoughts and feelings. He thought that the mind could bend and shape reality in ways that most people do not believe are possible. Goddard saw the imagination as a tool that allows us to shape reality and create the experiences we desire. He believed that the mind could create a flexible, malleable reality that can be molded and shaped to fit our desires. By using our imagination to visualize the things we want, we can bring them into our lives. And by changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can change our experiences in the 3D world. Overall, Neville Goddard believed that our reality is more flexible than we give it credit for, and that we have the power to shape it in ways that most people do not believe are possible. By using the power of our imagination and beliefs, we can create the lives we want and experience reality in a new and exciting way. It's important to remember that manifestation is a process that takes time, but if you stick with it and believe in what you're doing, you will start to see results. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons of manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.